So how can we make sure that the emails now follow that engagement protocol and get you some responses based on the fact that you're now actually physically looking at the email itself? So how do we structure that? We made sure that the purpose and the benefit of this email was very, very clear and right up front, using imagery and text. We put a bit of a countdown on the email, which you can do with email marketing platforms to impose a bit of urgency, so you know you're not going to miss it. We use a lot of imagery on the email, very important to make sure that the email is engaging and visual. 42% more click rate on emails with images rather than images that don't. We use a little bit of color, and that's how we highlight certain areas on the email. So we're using bold text and colors, trying to avoid reds, other colors to make the email a little bit stand out. And another good one certainly for email nowadays is video. We're much more likely to watch a video that we've been sent via a video than wade through reams and reams and reams and reams of text. You can say so much more in an email than you can with a very, very long email. Making sure that the rest of the email has the appropriate clicks and the appropriate calls to action in a variety of different formats. Some people like to click on pictures, some people like to click on text, and some people like to click on buttons. So make sure that all of your calls to action are in those sorts of variety of different methods. Certainly on mobile, you've got to make sure that the hyperlinks are on buttons, so we can't miss with our thumbs when it comes to clicking on those emails.